All right, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions. So let's start from you. Do you listen to music?
Yes, I love music. Music suits me and heals all my and heals me when I feel so tired. So I think music is a good option.
Okay, that's good. Let's go on. What kind of music do you like to listen to?
Well, it depends on my mood. Sometimes when I'm home alone and I like to listen the slow music, the soothing one, and when I'm attending some sort of function, then obviously louder music looks good.
Okay, who is your favorite singer and why?
Uh, there's not a limit. I like so many singers, but the same that it depends what my mood requires me to listen who I'm gonna listen at that time. It depends on
Okay,
that.
do you prefer to listen to music in local language or in English or any other language?
It too depends as well. Sometimes when I'm traveling, I like to listen both English and Urdu music, like Hindi music. They both look fine.
Okay, that's good. Overall, it's okay. Just
Okay,
try to add a couple of sentences, and in the end, they should be conclusion of your answer. But otherwise,
okay.
your answers are good. Now, let's go on. It's your turn. Do you like to stay in a place with a lot of noise?
No, I don't like to stay at a place where there is a noise because uh, um, it puts a lot of stress at that time and after you leave that place. So I don't like noisy
Okay,
places.
what kind of noises are there in your area where you live?
Um, um, Basically, I am now living in Lahore. So, as all know, Lahore is a very noisy area. There's a different type of noises like traffic noise, then um, uh, around the area where I live, there are the people around me play music
Okay,
loudly,
so you should
and
number one summarize your answer, and number two try to speak fluently. Okay, now let's go on. Would you like to go to a quieter place in the future?
yes, I will go to a quieter place in future because in uh, places like Lahore, it's difficult to live at that places. Uh, 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 at that places, and we need calm in our lives. So
Okay, so
uh,
therefore I would like to go
to
to northern areas which are
uh,
quite peaceful, or you can
yes,
say I want to go to countryside, like
countryside,
village
yes.
areas. Okay, they are quite peaceful. You can talk like that. So try to practice all these topics. Through practice, you'll become more fluent. At the
Okay.
moment, you're taking pauses. Okay,
Okay.
thank you so much. Thank